Hi, Magdalin. Okay, so we're setting up our page for Henrietta Lacks. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up a new Word document. Okay, on your Word document, I want you to go to this thing, the centering, and then you're going to click enter about 6 times. Okay, I'm going to start with typing your name. Okay, I'm going to do mine. Okay, so your name goes first. Click enter, then you're going to type ELA 2. You can do 2 I's, and that will be 2, but you can also do 10. Okay, now you're going to say Henrietta Lacks argument essay. Okay, enter Mr. Sparacio, enter April 11th. I'm just doing the date. Okay, so this should be your first page. After you have your name, the class, the title, Mr. Sparacio, and the date, you're going to go to insert, and then you're going to go to page, and then blank, page break, sorry. Insert, page, page break. You're going to go back to home, and then you need to click this thing so it will align you back to the left. Start with pressing the tab button, and you're ready to start your first paragraph. So your first paragraph is your intro paragraph. So the way that you're going to start this is you need a hook. So something that's going to get the reader excited about what you're talking about. So if I were you, I would do something like, did you know that there is someone who has never died? And then you could say, Henrietta Lacks has cells that are immortal, which means they never die. Okay, so now what you're going to say here is it was, and you're going to say ethical or not ethical. You have to pick one. Ethical means it was right, not ethical means it was not right. So I believe it was ethical or not ethical for the staff at Johns Hopkins Hospital to take Henrietta Lacks cells without her permission. Okay, that's your intro. Enter onto our first paragraph. So what you're going to do in your first paragraph is you're going to pick one of the articles that you have been reading. If you don't know about the articles, well, we're just going to go back onto Schoology. I'm going to go to Courses, English 2, and then you're going to go to the Henrietta Lacks paper. Let's see, they should be in here. Let's just make sure they are. Okay. Here's my thing. It does not look like the articles are up here. So if you don't have the articles, Magdalene, please message me and I will get them for you. Okay? So let's say you do have the articles. Your first article is going to go here. So the first article that supports my claim. So your claim is this. This is your claim. Okay? It's my claim. Is, and then you're just going to tell me the title of the article. Okay? And then you're going to say a quote that supports my claim is on page blank. And the author says, tell me what the author says. This means, tell me what that quote means. And you're going to give me a second quote. So you could say another quote that supports my claim is on page when the author says blank. Okay, this shows blank. This supports my claim because, okay? So you're going to tell me with the article, you're going to give me 2 quotes, explain both, and then you're going to tell me why that supports your claim. So you're going to do that 3 times for 3 different articles. So here, we're going to go down, new paragraph. But this, instead of first, you need to make sure it says second. And you're going to do the same thing again. Make sure it says third. Okay? Then what we're going to do is you're going to give me your counterclaim. So a counterclaim would be the opposite. So let's say that you're saying it was ethical. So now we have to say what some people would say if they were saying it was not ethical. So I'm going to start it. Some may say that it was not ethical for the staff to take Henrietta X's cells. And then you're going to say, on page blank, and then you're going to tell me an author's name, blank says, give me a quote that supports the opposite of what you're saying, something that shows it was not ethical. And then we're going to argue against them. However, this is not true. It was ethical to take her cells cuts. And then you're going to say, on page blank, blank says, and then give me a quote that says it was ethical, okay? And then, conclusion. In conclusion, restate your claim. Okay? That's it. Again, if you don't have the articles, please message me ASAP, and I will make sure Mr. Spracio gets those to you. Hope this helps. Good luck. Message me if you need anything else.